Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair straight. I'm going to show you basically the steps that I go through when I straighten my hair. It is quite a bit of a process, as you will see soon that my hair is pretty much thick and curly. I do like to straighten my hair from time to time. This is one of the videos in my how-to series. So today I'm showing you how I usually straighten my hair. So if you guys are interested in this hair straightening tutorial, then keep on watching. So let's get started with the hair tutorial. This is probably the first time you're seeing me with my crazy hair. You can see that my hair texture is very kind of thick and wavy, but the waves are not very, they're not very even and they're just kind of all over the place. What I've done right now is I have actually washed my hair and then I did my makeup, so that I let my hair kind of air dry a little bit. But usually I do my hair first and then I do my makeup. That's almost always the case. So I usually prefer straight hair, because it looks more tamed and more professional for every day. I don't straighten my hair every day, but when I wash my hair, the day after I'll style it and I'll straighten it, and that's what I want to show you guys today. So the first thing you need is a hair dryer. You can use any one, honestly, whatever you have at home. You probably don't need the Dyson, although I have seen hairstylists use it and say that they're really good. As long as it's powerful enough to blow dry your hair, you don't need an expensive hair dryer. I'm just using this one from Conair. You can just get it at Walmart. There are these kind of things that come. This is kind of like a detachable nozzle kind of a thing. So I usually keep it attached. If you want to style your hair straight, this kind of already helps it. The heat kind of comes in this uniform kind of streamlined motion. So if you have kind of thick hair like I do, I usually use the highest heat setting on this hair dryer and the fastest speed, really. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. You can see this end, how it's almost getting straight, and then this end is still curly. So I will actually blow dry my hair quickly and I'll be right back. So this is my hair now all blow dried. I don't really have a specific technique for blow drying, so it's just to kind of get my hair sort of in a place where I can now use my straightener to style it now. Turn on my straightener, so that we'll leave it on to heat up for a few minutes, and I will actually comb my hair out. So I comb my hair after I blow dry because my hair is just kind of dry right now, so I can just quickly use this kind of like a wide tooth comb. So I'm combing through my hair right now just to take out any kind of kinks in my hair before we straighten it. This is just a wooden comb from Body Shop, and I quite like it because I can easily use this through my hair and it does detangle. I'm not a fan of things like tangle teaser and stuff, because although they can really detangle your hair, they really pull on your hair. And whereas I find that combs like these, or at least wide tooth combs, they don't pull on the hair as much, but they're still detangling my hair. Now that I've combed my hair, I'm going to take this Bumble Straight blow dry styling cream. I just need a little bit of it, so I need like a dime size amount, not really. So I'm putting the styling cream through my hair, just whatever was on my hands. So this is the step when you need the styling cream to protect your hair from heat damage. So the straightener that I use usually is the Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro. I have used this for many years now and it still works really well. I love the Babyliss brand. I have their curling irons as well, so yeah, I quite like this brand. So if you guys get a hold of it, it's a really good one. It's a 1-inch straightener because yeah, I usually use a 1-inch straighteners to straighten my hair, because my hair is so thick that if I use any thinner than this, it's just not going to work for me. I'm just going to take sections, and you don't have to be so professional about this, so just take sections and then just straighten your hair. Like, this is so simple. Again, I am pretty lazy when it comes to doing my hair, so I try to do it really quick. See how wavy this part is and how straight this is? Continue doing this till all of your hair has been straightened. So I'm just going to repeat the steps. So just take a section like this and straighten it. Yeah, it just looks so much nicer than this side. So I'm going to keep doing that same thing, and I'll be right back. Before I finish off my hair, I'll just mention that I do usually do my bangs at the last bit. I don't like my bangs hanging straight down. I like a little bit of like a wave to it. So I usually do it like this, where I take it and just pull it back. And you can see what it does. Like, it gives that nice kind of wave, like it's going back. And then that gives you that kind of like nice little, like, you know, S wave. And it just really looks really nice with my face, because my face is round, so a little bit of like a wave looks good with straight hair. That's what I usually do with my front bangs. And yeah, then I'll continue on with the rest. After straightening my hair, you can see it's a world of difference. Like, it looks so sleek and so smooth. The ends just look so polished. I guess the look is so much more polished that I love straightening my hair. I don't straighten my hair every single day because, you know, the heat can damage your hair and things like that. So I only style my hair straight maybe once or twice a week. Last step in my routine is I'll just use this argan oil from Morocco, healing dry oil from the brand OGX. You can find this at any drugstore. It's just a dry oil, and it's really good. I love the scent of this, and you can see how much I have used this bottle already. It is, you only need like the tiniest amount. I'll just spray this in my hand, just like so, and then I'll just run it through the ends of my hair. And all it does is that it will further protect my hair from any kind of, you know, damage or anything like that. Makes my hair feel so good. Like, that's the point of dry oils. They dry out really fast, but they leave my hair feeling so soft and so smooth. Alright guys, so that completes this tutorial on how to get your thick curly hair looking straight and nice and sleek. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is the way that I usually love straightening my hair, and I thought I would show you guys how to do it. It was a little bit of a challenge because I'm doing a hair tutorial for the first time, so bear with me. But I hope I managed to teach you guys a few things on how to really straighten your hair and how to, you know, also take care of your hair, because all that heat can really do some damage to your hair over time. If you guys enjoyed today's content, then make sure to